Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start affiliate marketing with LinkedIn detailed guide step by step clearly. To start affiliate marketing with LinkedIn, begin by creating a compelling profile. Ensure your profile photo is professional and approachable. Craft a headline that clearly states your expertise and focus. Write a summary that showcases your skills and interests in affiliate marketing. Optimize your profile with relevant keywords related to your niche. Next, build a strong network by connecting with professionals in your industry. Join LinkedIn groups that focus on affiliate marketing or your specific niche. Engage with group members by contributing valuable insights and advice. Identify and research affiliate programs that align with your interests and audience. Create content that adds value, such as articles or posts related to your affiliate products. Utilize LinkedIn's publishing platform to share your insights and attract potential buyers. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within your content. Use eye-catching visuals and graphics to enhance your posts and capture attention. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages promptly. Leverage LinkedIn's analytics tools to track the performance of your content. Adjust your strategies based on the insights gained from your analytics. Consider hosting webinars or live sessions to discuss your niche and products. Follow industry leaders and engage with their content to learn and network. Continuously educate yourself about the latest trends in affiliate marketing. Stay consistent with your content production and networking efforts. Measure your success regularly and refine your approach as needed. By following these steps, you can effectively start affiliate marketing on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.